Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Ordinary, I got the wrong one, the Ordinary Retinol. So let me go here. I bought the vitamin C, but it's called ascorbyl glycoside, and I would use this in the daytime, and this is solution 12%, and I also have retinol 1% in Squalane, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I would use the retinol in the evening time. So as you guys know, if you've been keeping up with my channel, you know that I used to use retinol, and I purchased that one off eBay. It's also known as retin or tretinoid. It's a form of vitamin A, and it's good for renewal of skin and cell turnover, and it helps the skin cells renew itself a lot quicker, a lot more than the average person. I guess some people's skin cells renew themselves a lot more rapidly than others. I think if you have like psoriasis or eczema, your skin will become dry and itchy, and it will tend to peel off a lot easier and a lot quicker than someone else that doesn't have that. If you tend to have like oily skin on the face, you won't have that much vitamin A within your system, and your skin cells just won't peel and shed as much. So yeah, so it's the Ordinary Retinol 1% and Squalane. I got this off Beauty Bay, but you can purchase this off the Ordinary website. They're also known as Deciem. And yeah, I used to use the one off eBay, as I said before, and you know, when you buy stuff off eBay, the links aren't always continuously valid, and the seller changes what they sell, and they no longer sell the old product that they sell. And I don't know if it was legal to sell retinol, because at one point you couldn't get retinol over the counter. Okay, so you couldn't get it over the counter. You could just get it prescriptive, but now, like in the UK, they sell forms of retinol or retin A in like Boots or on boots.com. And yeah, I got mine from Beauty Bay, and it's by The Ordinary. So it's helped clear out my skin a lot. Obviously in this video you can see that I'm not wearing any makeup, so I've got a bit of dark circles, but my skin has cleared up a lot, so much more than it was previously. And it was kind of hard to get my skin under control, and hard to get the dark marks and dark spots under control. But I've literally done I've literally done a lot of research, and I've produced a soap for my personal self that's definitely helped with my breakouts, spots, dark marks. It makes your skin look a lot more brighter, you know, evens your skin tone. It makes you feel more vibrant, look more vibrant, and it's definitely helped. I've been using it for like a month now in conjunction with the retinol, which I think has helped me so much. In the evening time I use this. The soap is infused with a lot of herbs, a lot of organic herbs, which I love, and like some herbs like moringa, clove, neem, basil, all those things I've combined together and made into a face soap, which has worked perfectly for me, and it's helped keep my acne and spots at bay. If anyone wants to know any more information about that, just comment below or let me know in the comments. Also, I have a new health page. It's called raisofbeauty Healthcare, which I do talk about the products, the soaps, and I do talk about general healthcare, which I think is very important, and it's just aimed at helping people live better lives and helping people become more conscious and more aware of what they're putting in their bodies, and helping people to understand how to look after their bodies and get in touch with their bodies and the society around us. The reason why I purchased this retinol, oh, it's 1%. Did I say it was 2%? Sorry, it's 1%. Because I checked the one that I bought previously on eBay, and I think that was 1%, hence why I purchased the 1% off Beauty Bay. I think it smells so strong. So I'm just going to read a bit about it for you guys. And I think if you have oily skin, I would definitely recommend this Retinol 1%. It's great for people with oily skin because it helps with skin turnover. A lot of people say retinol is for people that have wrinkles and fine lines. It is for people that have that, and it can be used for people that have fine lines and wrinkles, but it is also good for people that have a specific type of acne. And if you have acne due to oily skin or a hormonal time in the month where your skin just gets super oily, retinol would be perfect for you. Oh wow, okay, so if you live in the UK, I've just seen that the Retinol 1% in 30ml, which this is, it's gone down to £4.63 from £5.80. I didn't even realise it was so cheap. I thought I got mine for like £9. So it's on sale. I don't know if I'll be ordering it. I might just pop into a shop and purchase it, but let me just read a bit about it. So it's called an anti-aging serum. It's designed to minimize fine lines and reduce the signs of aging. Retinol 1% is a water-free, high-strength solution that should be used daily as part of your evening skincare regime. Thin and lightweight, use sparingly for effective results. Please note, Retinol 1% can cause redness, irritation and peeling within the first few weeks of use. To lessen initial side effects, dilute before use. It didn't cause me any peeling, it didn't cause me any irritation. I'm quite surprised, but I think the way that The Ordinary has designed their one, it's not very harsh. It's very, very light, it's very, very sensitive, and you only need like 2 drops or 3 drops the least, and then you would rub it on your face and soak in the motion very softly, and then also apply it to your neck in an upwards motion just to prevent any future sagging and all that stuff. So obviously ingredients, retinol. Okay, so it has tomato fruit extract and jojoba seed extract. I didn't know that, but that's quite good to know. So it will give you a sort of moisturizing feeling as well. Your face won't feel completely dry, because when I bought the one off eBay, it was very, very drying, very, very drying, but it just had retinol in it. And this one, because it has tomato fruit extract and jojoba fruit seed oil extract, that's probably why it wasn't so drying for me. The directions are very, very simple. Apply in the evening over serums and under moisturizers. So what I done was applied it in the evening, but I didn't apply any moisturizers or any serums. When it comes to moisturizers, my skin's a bit tricky. I can't use anything that's really oil based, any kind of oil. So I haven't been using a moisturizer with this. I've just been using it on its own. And in the morning I was using my vitamin C serum. As I said, it's called a Squalane glycoside solution 12%, a brightening serum with stabilized vitamin C derived. This is also from the same place, the same company, The Ordinary, as you can see. But yeah, I do definitely want to change my daily moisturizer. As you guys know, I used to use a Mario Badescu SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer, but I'm in the process of changing that up very quickly. I'll probably produce my own one, like my soap. So anyway, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys found it very interesting, and if you use retinol, if you've ever used retinol, if you've used tretinoin, vitamin A, anything like even carrot seed oil, just comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're interested in purchasing any of these products, and thank you for watching my video today, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.